Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to give you guys a tutorial of the Webull app. Now if you have Webull, then you know that the app has a lot of information. It can be a little bit confusing. So here, I just want to help you guys out. And be sure to subscribe if you're interested in finances or learn about investing. And be sure to like this video. Hey, what's up guys? So here's a look at the Webull app. So when you open it up, the first thing that comes up is your watch list. Now this is not my portfolio, that's just the name of it. But it's just a watch list of just different stocks. So at the bottom, you'll see where it says watch list. And then you see the next tab, it says markets. Now the great thing about Webull is I actually use Webull to do a ton of research along with things like Google, as well as things like Yahoo Finance and a few other, just different apps for different reasons. And one of the reasons because Webull, before Webull was a brokerage, they were actually just an app for you to do research. That was it. And so they had, and they still do, a ton of information. Most people don't know that, Webull's not American based. And so they have all types of different markets here. If you see at the top, United Kingdom, Germany, global. I mean, if you like cryptos, all that stuff, where they do allow you to get information for this stuff. Now, you see it's live. It's all live. So you can see right here where the Dow Jones, S&P, you see it flickering is because the markets are open right now. And so another thing that if you look right in the middle of the screen, you see IPO center. And yes, and you see those words that says order now. So what that means is, yes, you can invest in IPOs through this app. Now, isn't that dope? For those that may like to do IPO investing. Not everybody's a fan of it. Some people are, whatever. So here in the middle of the screen, you see where it says offerings. It's telling you what's coming, things that have already and what's listed and things like that. So if you click on IPO Center, it shows you. You see this tab where it says order now. And this is exactly what it means. You can order now if you wanted to. You have to go through this information here, hit agree, etc., where it talks about the risk and things like that and the terms or whatever, and you're able to actually invest in the IPO. So that's pretty neat because you can't find that in one place with a lot of places for those that are privy to IPO investing. And then if you scroll down, you'll see the companies that already have that are coming up and things like that. So it says offering at the top, it says field, that shows you what has came. So you can go and see different companies that have, went public that you might have missed, which is cool. And it can show you which ones are listed, etc. So if you go back, you can actually see where they have an earnings center. Then you can see where they show you, your advancers, decliners, meaning that it's showing you basically who's doing, really good, what's doing good, things like that. And then it's also showing you right here the net inflow, right? So this is pretty dope because it's showing you kind of like the money that's coming in and the money that's going out of the market. And so I think that's pretty hot. Here you see the hot industries. And you can slide your finger to slide to the right or left. And if you want to take a little more look at it, you can click on it if you want. And it just tells you, what's popping right now. And meaning what's growing or what's having the most traffic. Because something can be very, active and not necessarily be growing. But they also have the hot ETFs right now too. The hot stocks, what everybody's like trading right now, which we all know these companies. And, Berkshire Hathaway is Warren Buffett's company. So that's his share B, which is, $218. The other one is like $100,000+ which is crazy. But it then shows you your rankings. So it's just showing you basically everything that's going on with the market. They put the work in, right? So if you go to the United Kingdom, you're going to see the same stuff. It's showing you everything's going on. Now the IPO thing is not the same in every market, but you can see that they're showing you everything going on across the markets, like universally. And that's pretty dope if you're someone that's researching and searching for different things that you might want to actually buy. Now, another feature that's pretty dope is the community tab. Now, here's the thing. The community tab, and one of the things I like about this is that it actually allows you to now read and as well as even interact with other investors that are using the app as well, but just interact. And one of the things a lot of people may not be aware of is that you can actually learn a lot from others by seeing what they're investing in, or like far as just what they're talking about, because everybody has a different perspective and there's no one perfect solution or strategy for everybody. Everyone has their own strategy according to themselves, their personal situations, etc. So like you can see, you can enter discussions. So, cannabis is hot right now, so people are talking about that. If you click on those things, you get to go into those discussions. So this is another tab that's pretty, hot right now, and that's the stream tab. Now you click on competition, which that's something that they have created, basically, where you can sign up, and they have different rules and competitions you can participate in with like fake money, which is definitely dope. So even if you just want to try to learn and see how things go, you could use things like that to play around with the market. Top news, then they have your watch list stuff, and then so it's like, say for example, if you go back to the community tab and you see how people are commenting, let me go back to the watch list, right? So let's go to Apple. Now with Apple, first of all, you can see that there is a ton of information here. So, and one of the things that when you do click or search a company or a stock, if you look at the bottom, if you can trade it or if you can buy it or not based off of that button there that says trade. Because some stocks may not be available. Typically, the stocks not available are like, stocks that not too many people even know about anyway. But so you wouldn't have really a problem with the most popular stocks or whatever. But you can actually buy from that position, as well as see the positions that you have, or even options. For example, if you were into trading options, which I highly recommend you do your research before you do anything like that and learn more about it, because you can lose all your money in doing options and things like that. That's a different type of investing. So here you can see where it says comments, but if you scroll down, you'll see that there's people commenting on about this particular stock. So you can see what other people are thinking if you're interested in that, but it just brings a whole new social aspect to it, which I think is pretty dope. So when you're scrolling, always look that there's other features that appear, like right here, these symbols at the top. You see that? It gives you more information about the company. Scroll to that, more information, right? You see this? This is just giving you more information on that particular stock. Key indicators. So people who are trading, this is stuff that they like to see. See this? More stuff, right? So it's just giving you more information. So that's why I said this is one of the apps that I use to do a lot of research. So the middle tab, which I almost forgot, this is your personal stuff. So now in my account here in Webull, I actually do not use my account for Webull to trade. I have like $27 in value that's in it right now. And so what it is that I use this for research, like I said, but this money that's here is actually coming from, people that have used my link to this app, that, they've used my referral link. And so because they have an influencer program. And so basically, if you were to actually, use my link and you actually decided to deposit money into the account. So like if you opened up a Webull account, use my link, and then you deposit at least $100, they're going to give you two free stocks. And one of the stocks can be valued up to as much as $500 up to $1,000. And so that's one of the promos that they run. And so a lot of people have indeed downloaded this app from all types of places, and once they deposit $100, they get two free stocks. So here you can just kind of see what I have that's kind of came on my app so far that I haven't cashed out or whatnot. But technically this is just all from, people just, buying stock, because then I get a stock too. And so you can see here anyway how the setup is. So it makes it easy for you to understand. Now, one of the new features is open the IRA. And so they just started where you can open the IRA. They're making themselves more and more of a all-in-one trading platform. I'm sure at one point they're going to probably have the whole cash account thing too, probably. So, but here, account details, that shows you the details. You can see performance, that shows you the performance of your portfolio, orders, if there's any orders, which all of mine are just sell orders, because I just, like I said, I don't use it. But you have your quick trade. So if you want to, buy stock and you know what you want to buy, there's your quick trade. You enter the symbol and it'll prompt you. So if I was just choose Dominion, which is here, like I told you, buy, sell, and that's what the screen looks like. So then you can go back. But that's your account information there. It'll show you whatever you're holding. So one of the last free stocks I got was here. All right. And so you can see that's actually kind of went up since, it's been in my account, which is pretty cool. I ain't mad at that. But yep, so that's how that works. Up here at the top, there's a little button that says ... You click on that, and that's your account notices, order notices, anything like that. You see a little symbol with the headphones. What that does is that's your help. So you get everything there. And yes, it has a contact us thing too as well, where you can send, feedback on any problems that you have as well. So that's pretty much how that works for your account. So you can see all your information. And this is where you would make or go to make most of your purchases, unless you just go to the actual stock and decide to make a buy or a sell. And then you have your menu tab over here. It has all these different things here. Welcome to Influencer Program. I'm a part of the Influencer Program, which I talked about, which you can refer people to sign up. Then you have your referral bonus, your deposit bonuses. They have different promotions and things like that. And you have your learning center and things here. It's just more and more information that you can use in order to help yourself investing and become better. This is one of the apps that definitely, even if you don't use it, it's good to just download, because the information that's available, if it's a company that's about to do an IPO, I go here and I start doing research. This is one of the places I do research, and just so many different facets just to look at things as a whole, as you saw. So it's definitely a whole lot of information. And it's enough, and then it's as little as you need it to be. So beginners can use it too. So I think it's very efficient. So if you would like to try Webull out, definitely click the link in the description and deposit $100, and you can get free stock just like I get free stock. But hey guys, I hope this has been helpful tip on how you guys can use the Webull app. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate all those that have supported, and I will see you soon. Happy investing. Peace.